Welcome back. Today we will convert a decimal number into binary number using Python. Let's create a function decimal to binary with the argument decimal number, that is value. Now create an empty list which will store a binary number. Apply a while loop with a condition n value greater than equals to 1. Done here. Now we store a remainder when the value divided by 2 inside a list, empty list A. For that we use append function a dot append value. For the remainder we use modulus operator 2 and value change by value floor division 2. Now we change list into string and stored in new variable p. Okay, after coming out of the while loop equals, for that we use join function space dot join a list A. But remember, here we convert the reverse of list A into string. For that reverse operation we apply slicing -1. We done here, and this function return a binary number which is p. Okay, now let's take the input from the user. Int input, enter any decimal number. Okay, and print, calling a function decimal to binary with the argument we passing the value here x inside a function decimal to binary. Okay, we're done here. Now see the output. Enter a number 4. I know this is not running because here we convert a list into string, and we know we done this only if the list element are in string, not integer. So we append a string element inside a. For that we use str function. Str convert integer into string inside a list A. Done here with our code. Now check the output. 4. Here we have obtained the binary number of 4. Let's check another number 15. Okay, 4 times 1. We done here. We have successfully converted our decimal number into binary number. Let's check another number 64. See, that's all. Thank you.